Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. In this video I will talk about the tactical Scorpion gear side saddle for the Mossberg 500 system. They make that for other shotguns as well, but in this sample here we have it in for the Mossberg 500, 590. Comes in a red bag, tactical Scorpion gear. They make body armor, holsters, tactical parts, and there we see some more information. Made in China, unfortunately, that is how that is. Then we have there the website. Comes with paperwork. So we're gonna have that out of the way too. Now the setup is a bit different on this one. We see the item is relative thin. As we look here on top is a original Tacstar side saddle. So we see the difference on that design here. We see that it's basically reduced to the part that hold the 12 gauge shot shells. It's not as wide anymore, so they made the holes originally on the side for the screws to hold the plastic on the aluminium. Here we have it all on the part here, so that gives us a slimmer design. The setup is pretty much the same. You have the plate that goes on the side of the Mossberg, and the first screw as usually goes to the receiver like that on this place. Then we have the second screw, the short one with the nut that goes in one of those holes from the inside through the extractor ejector of the Mossberg 500 system there. There is only one screw, you can't miss it. So then you have the plate fixed on the left side of the receiver, and then basically that part gonna go on top of it with all those screws. They provide you the Allen wrenches for that screw and the other screw, but they did not give you the flathead screwdriver for the screw that goes into the receiver. Now what is different on that part is, as we turn it off, we have two rubber inlays there that hold the shotgun shells. Usually by the original, by the Tacstar, the plastic is flexible, so that holds through the flexible plastic. This one is different. The plastic is harder, it won't move that much, but we see here in the middle we have those two lines of rubber. So basically we have that rubber that holds the shot shell. Is that better or worse? It's hard to say. The positive on that system is, in case the rubber gets a bit bended or out of shape, you can take it off, rotate it a bit around, so you have a new fresh surface of the rubber to hold it. So that's up to you, that is possible. By the Tacstar originals, that loosens up of course over time too, but it takes quite some time to loosen them up. So yeah, it's a different approach. I like that it is more compact, more slimline. That item will go on the Turkish semi-automatic shotgun, which is not set up like a Mossberg 500 at all, but you have enough space in between to drill and tap. Drill and mount screws on the side of a receiver if you want that. So we have enough space for custom mounting, and it's still slimline in appearance, easy to set up. So that's where that item gonna end up with. And yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna post in the description how that test gonna end and how well that item gonna go. But so far I had it already on the Maverick 88 to see how well it fits, and it worked, no problem at all. So that much about the Scorpion side saddle.